Moon gardens, also known as night gardens or white gardens, are enchanting outdoor spaces designed to be enjoyed primarily at night. These gardens focus on pale, fragrant, and reflective plants, creating an ethereal atmosphere under the moonlight. Designing a moon garden involves careful planning and selection of elements to maximize the nighttime experience. Here are some key ideas and tips for creating a moon garden. Select moonlight-friendly plants. Choose white or pale-colored flowers like white lilies, white roses, moonflowers, jasmine, and night-blooming phlox. These plants will stand out in the moonlight. Include fragrant plants like night-blooming jasmine, moonflower, and tuberose to enhance the sensory experience. Silver and gray foliage. Incorporate plants with silvery or gray foliage, such as lamb's ear, artemisia, or dusty miller. These plants reflect moonlight beautifully. Reflective elements. Add reflective elements like white or silver garden ornaments, gazing balls, or decorative mirrors strategically placed to catch and enhance moonlight. Water features. Install a reflective water feature like a moonlit pond, bird bath, or a small fountain. The shimmering water can create a serene, enchanting ambience. Pale hardscape materials. Use pale-colored paving stones, gravel, or sand for paths and seating areas. Light-colored materials will reflect the moonlight and make the garden appear brighter at night. Night-blooming plants. Include night-blooming flowers like evening primrose, moonflower, and angel's trumpet to add an extra layer of magic to your moon garden. Lighting. Use soft, low-level lighting such as LED or solar-powered garden lights to navigate the garden without overpowering the moonlight. Place them strategically along paths and around key features. Fragrance. Fragrance plays a significant role in moon gardens. Choose scented plants like lavender, jasmine, and sweet alyssum to fill the air with a delightful aroma. Seating. Provide comfortable seating arrangements in cozy nooks or open areas, allowing you to relax and enjoy the garden during the evening. Plan for the full moon. Consider the phases of the moon when planning your garden. While moon gardens are designed for nighttime enjoyment, the garden can look especially magical during a full moon. Nocturnal wildlife. Encourage nocturnal visitors like fireflies, moths, and owls by planting host plants or creating a habitat-friendly environment. Garden maintenance. Regular pruning and maintenance are essential to keep your moon garden looking its best. Remove spent flowers and dead foliage to maintain its ethereal beauty. Remember that moon gardens are not only visually stunning but also offer a peaceful and meditative space for reflection and relaxation. These gardens can be a beautiful addition to any landscape, providing a unique and enchanting experience for nighttime enjoyment.